Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set the time on your phone on Redmi Note 14 easily. Alright guys, so yeah, if the time on your cell phone do not match the time in your area, no need to be worried because you can change the time easily guys. And how to change the time or how to set the time on your phone is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's check it out and let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And so yeah, now you can scroll down until you found the menu additional settings. Okay, now you can click and then now you can go to date and time menu. And to change the time, now you have to turn off the time automatically, and now you can change the time based on the time on your area. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the time on your phone has changed. It's easy, right? Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.